Legends of Learning presents the Eureka Force of Nature game. This is a science game that makes learning about the variation of inherited traits fun and easy to understand. In this informative instructional game, join Montana on this exploration of abandoned temples. Click your way through clues and discover the truth about traits in animals. Use the mouse to click on different objects to read interesting facts about science and learn more about inherited traits as you progress through the different levels. Play different mini-games to help you learn more about science. Drag and drop answers and choose correct matching items to progress to the next level. Collect keys to unlock the next challenge. Complete all the levels to win the game. Use your knowledge of science to complete this fun and educational game. Have fun and enjoy playing.